Affiliate marketing. Is it possible to make money while wearing your pajamas? Have you ever wanted to work from home, relax in your pajamas, and still make money? Affiliate marketing could be the way to make that dream come true. But is it really as simple as it sounds? Let's find out. The basics of affiliate marketing: picture yourself as a super connector, connecting people with things they'll love. You get a cut of the sale when someone buys something through your special link. You get paid to help people find cool things and sell things that other people own. Why is affiliate marketing so popular? Low startup costs. You don't have to make your own products or worry about inventory. Hours that are flexible. You can work when and where you want. Possible passive income. You can make money even while you sleep once your system is set up. You can make a lot of money. There is no limit to how much you can make. A lot of different products. You can market products from almost any niche you can think of. The most important people in affiliate marketing: the merchant is the business that sells the item. You are the affiliate. The person who sells the item. The customer. The person who buys something. The affiliate network is a service that connects merchants and affiliates, like a dating service. How to start affiliate marketing: choose a niche. Pick a subject that interests you and that you know a lot about. Make a website or blog. This is where you can show off your content and affiliate links. Find affiliate programs. You can join affiliate networks or look for direct affiliate programs with companies you like. Make great content. Write blog posts, make videos, or post updates on social media that talk about your affiliate products. Share your content on social media, email, and other places to get the word out. Keep an eye on your results. Check to see what's working and what's not, and change your plan as needed. How to do well in affiliate marketing: be real. Only promote products that you believe in and would tell your friends about. Be open. Tell your audience about your affiliate relationships. Give value. Make content that helps your audience reach their goals or solve problems. Build trust. Be honest and dependable to gain the trust of your audience. Stay up to date. Learn about the newest trends and best practices in affiliate marketing. Things to avoid when doing affiliate marketing: too many products. Quality over quantity is the key. Ignoring your audience. Make sure your ads are relevant to your audience's needs and wants. Not keeping track of your results. You can't make things better if you don't keep track of them. Being impatient. It takes time to make a successful affiliate marketing business. Not paying attention to SEO. To get more visitors, make sure your content is search engine friendly. Passive income and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money without doing anything, because once you make your content and set up your system, it can keep making sales for months or even years. Is affiliate marketing a good fit for you? Affiliate marketing could be a good way for you to make money online if you want something that is flexible and pays well. It takes time and work to get started, but once you have a successful affiliate marketing business, you can work from home and make money without having to do anything.